Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your game is gonna lag on the Windows 10 and 11. So when you have a high NPC and having a low NPC, but your game is gonna lag. So follow all the steps which I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your lagging issue in your Windows. So the first step is that you just have to restart your PC and also close background apps. So after restarting your PC, you just have to follow the another steps. So the another step is that you just have to update your graphic drivers. So just have to go to the settings, just right click and just device manager, just going to the device manager and see the option of and display adapters. Just click on that, and here you just showing the graphic card which you have. If you have any NVIDIA graphic card, you just update here. If you have any ASUS graphic card, just right click on that driver and see the option of update drivers. After updating your driver, just close it. And the step 3 is set power mode to high performance mode. So if you don't know what you find, where you can find that, just going to settings, system, and going to power and battery section. So I'm gonna go to the control section and just going to the power option and just wait, power and battery. We're gonna go from there, not from the control panel. So system, power and battery, so I'm gonna search here POW, power and sleep settings. I'm gonna go into additional power settings and you see the option of an Azure power plan. So if you have any other plan showing the performance, so just have to doing that. So I'm gonna go to the section to find the so in that section which you have a power plan optimized for maximum performance. So I'm currently right now using a laptop to set, that's why I'm showing that option. So in your case it's showing the high performance mode, so just turn it on. So after turning it on, just go back and just close it. So the fourth step is enable game mode. So if you don't know but you can find that, just have to going to the settings and just scroll it down and see the option of gaming. If you don't know where you can find, just simply search a gaming, just click on that and see the toggle of gaming mode, so just turn it on. So after enable that gaming mode, follow the step 5 is turn off background apps. So just go to the install apps, just search an apps and just going to that section and see the apps which you are showing. So just uninstall that apps which you're not using right now. So after uninstalling apps, you just follow the step 6 is reduce in-game graphic settings. So just have to follow the lower shadows, and if you have using any game, and just going to the game section and just lower their shadows, anti-aliasing and motion blurs. So the seventh step is that you just check your temperature of your PC with your laptop. So it's overheating, so just have to shut down and just wait for 15 to 30 minutes and just after cool down your laptop and your PC. So just have to using on. So the eighth step is that you disable your full screen optimization. So just right click game.exe and going to the property sections and just going to compatibility and check your disable full optimization in your game. So just after checking that, just follow the step 9 is make sure you just update the Windows. So many users facing issue because they cannot update their Windows, that's why they're lagging their drivers. So that's why you just have to update the Windows. If you don't know where you can find the Windows update, so just go to settings and just scroll it down and see the option of update and security. Just click on that and it's going to the window update, and here you just check for update, just click on that and checking that if you having any Windows update pending or not. After if you have any update, just update it. After that you just restart your PC and again you just you install your games and just play the games. So after that your problem gonna solve and your game not gonna lag after that settings. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.